All right, hello everyone. We're going to be talking today about Egnyte. We're going to move all of the restoration files off of the M drive. We're putting them into a cloud solution. You're still going to have a map drive. You're going to be able to access it from the web. You're also going to be able to access it from a mobile device or an iPad. All of that will be able to be done without VPN connection, so you won't have to do that anymore. So the first thing that you want to check on your PC is that you have the Egnyte Connect app. When I click on it, you'll see I have some map drives. If you click on it and that doesn't show up, it'll prompt you right away to sign in. Your username is your email address. Your password is your regular network or PC password. What that's going to do is it's going to give you a drive. You'll see the R drive. And when I click on shared, all of the RRS files will be moved to this location. The only thing you can see we have right now right there is marketing. But everything will be moved there Thursday night. Now again, I said you could connect to it from a website. So when you go to the website, it's rrs.egnyte.com. Sign in with those same credentials. You're going to see the folder structure here. Same thing. Now, I'll use the marketing folder as an example since we don't have anything else here yet. Some of the things you can do is you can share folders out. So when you click here, you can share a link. Recipients can view and download something. They cannot edit the files. Request files from others. Essentially what you're doing is sending them a link so they can upload. They cannot see or edit any documents that are already there. One of the nice features is you can add descriptions to folders. So when you click here, you can click on details and options and add a description to a folder. I'm not going to add one to this, but you can add it there, save it, close it, have a description on a folder. The other thing is you can view online files. We don't have files here yet. When you click on a file, you can view it. You can then choose to open it in online version. Now, when you open it in an online version, it means you can collaborate and edit this file with multiple people at the same time. If you open it via the desktop, that locks it for you only. That's the conventional way, just like if you're in a map drive and you double click on the file to open it. Again, this is all cloud-based. So lastly, you can install Egnyte on your phone or your iPad, same credentials to log in, access all the files. I don't think anybody really wants to work on their phone, but great for quick reference if you're asked a question. Or the other key feature is you can scan documents. It'll save it as a PDF, and then you can save it to the correct folder in Egnyte, all within the app. So some great features here. The IT department's here to assist you. If you have any questions, concerns, or problems, don't hesitate to reach out to us. IT support at SitelogIQ.com. We'll help you out. Thank you. Have a nice day.